Hello, folks. This is Gib coming at you from Ripping the RC Live. We got the HBX 903A out. Last time I had it out, I showed y'all it had a gear issue. We can hear it. I found it. It was in the rear. It's the second time it's had that. I don't know that these tires, they're not the ones that the stock tires that came with it, but I don't know that they would. I mean, they're not very heavy tires, but they may be putting a strain on that rear gear that goes into the differential. We're gonna take it out for a rip. I mean, if you're into the big boys, it's not a big boy, but it does rip. They're all trying to kill me, all my RCs. Well, I never. But yeah, nice little truck. Pretty good price right now. Lost it. I probably lost the whole truck. I don't think you got any of that, did you? Just heard me rambling on. Anyways, this one's on Amazon. It's on sale, I believe. It's a pretty good basher. Of course, it being a truck, it's going to handle a little bit better. Looks like it's handling that a lot better than the Arlarlo. Oh, poor Arlarlo. Oh, watch out over there. Big rocks. I know HBX came out with a 3S capable with a differential, a center diff, should I say. And man, that's enticing. Where did you go? The battery trays for these things are pretty tiny, and of course that cuts into your run time for sure. So either the servo save, what's going on? So either the servo savers on that WL toys and the Arlarlo are just in the way or something, but I can't get them to line up. Not really. We're gonna give this a, I guess we're not gonna give it a try. Power down. Like I said, they come with a small battery. I think it's a 1800 milliamp. I brought a few. We'll put another pack in there because kind of having fun with this one. Nope. I don't know if Mr. Derby City RC, he gets down with these HBXs, and he's done some mods that make these things beasts. If you want to get into that, you should go check out his channel. That's Derby City RC. Sucking up those juice on that batteries. Well, this is Gib cutting out, running that HBX 903A. No, I mean 903A. Thanks for watching.